Today we are at Guasti, and they just stocked this past Thursday, so should be good biting. Rain just stopped. Yeah, should be good. Let's get it.
There's a lot of people here.
What happened to our juice? On 2-pound shit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on 2-pound. I had to. Oh. Oh.
Okay, it's my turn. Seems like everyone's catching over here. Ken said pass the bridge on a rock. Let's see. Oh shit, bro. Oh, bro. Damn, bro. Your line's done. You gotta cut that shit or something. Has anyone got a net? Anyone got a net? You don't got a net? Oh, fuck. Oh, oh. Yeah, I'm gonna. Do you mind if I come over here? Could you get him? Could you get him? Could you get him? I'll back up. 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 Oh. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. No, keep going over here. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Woo! Thank you, man. I appreciate your help, man. Tangled up. Look, we're still tangled.
Got that adrenaline kicking, don't you?
Woo! I just went to the liquor store real quick. Oh, let's go.
That's a good 4 or 5, man.
God, I'm about to go find out right now. Yeah, you can grab your thing.
He's good. Oh no! Let me get him.
No, he's still on.
Oh. Ah.